Alright y'all, today is Monday, July 3rd, 2023. I'm going to show you what I got done over the weekend. As y'all can see, the cab is out of here, it's beside the garage. Now we got the bed in here. I'm going to start working on this. Getting this lined out. Show you what we got going on. We got a patch that's going to need to be put right there. This side, other than that, it's pretty straight. We're just basically stripping, sanding, it's done. Now this side over here, we got a little dent right there we got to get out. And over here on this side, as you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking up, it's kind of sitting out. Well, the reason why is this bracket right here needs to come down, and then that pushes it back in, holds it together. As you can see, this right here has got a flange. See that? I need to put a little spot weld right there. That'll pull that back in. And then, as you can tell, it's kind of whoop. Gotta bang that back down. I don't know why, but they hooked the damn exhaust right here. So, I gotta fix that. Gotta knock it back down. But other than that, this side's pretty much the same thing. Just strip it down. And I'll prime it. Get it ready. Probably gonna grind this right here pretty good. You know, anything that shows where it's a little bit in the metal, I'm going to put some of that rust converter on it. Stop that from doing it anymore. And that's going to be it for the bed. Let me say I got that one little patch right there I need to do. And I got another one right there I got to do. But all in all, it's not that bad. I'm going to try to work on that. And I need the bed off. I put the bed line and set it on top of it. As you can see, the leaf springs, I don't see but two there. That's why it was sitting so low in the back. So we're going to go to the junkyard this week. I'm going to try to find some leaf springs for it. It might be 2-inch drop springs. Shackles. Might have to check that out and see. But that's where we're at right now. That's what we got going on this week, is bed and back of the truck situation. As you can see, I got the old cab sitting beside the garage, ready to go on now. So that's what we're going to be working on. So I'm going to get on here and get at it. Start putting some strip on this sucker and get it on down. See what we're working with. Alright y'all. Alright y'all, it's about 12:30. Let me show y'all what I got done. Old passenger side is stripped. Got that done. I've also been working on lining out this bottom piece. It was like bent in, where somebody had hooked and put the exhaust on it, and it came up and it hit the bed and dented it real bad. So I went ahead and knocked that out. All them spots you see is Bondo that the truck had on it, and that's why you want to strip them. That way you see everything's got. And on this side, I started working on this one. This one was the worst one of the two. I got it fairly straight. I'll probably put one little skim coat on that, and that'll be looking good. Just got to get the little bar that goes from the inside down to right there to give it some support. It's still it's a little wavy. The other one was broke, but that's where we're at for today. I'm gonna get on out here tomorrow. Try to get this whole side stripped down, and then I guess get this side stripped and start working on this right here. Gotta get this all grounded out. Put some little piece of metal weld on there and just whoop, whoop, with a slide hammer. Come on back around. Get that back on out. Get all this sand down. Get all that all through the back of here. And then get that one little piece right there fixed. That bed project part will be done. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Alright y'all, it's Thursday morning, about 10 o'clock. I want to show you what we have been going on pretty much this week. And earlier this week, it was Monday, we got that side done. Yesterday, I got this side stripped down. And most had dent that was right around the tail light. I got that out. Yesterday
Went to the old local junkyard. Got us some springs for the old truck to get the back end raised back up. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. So let me get on at it, and once we make some progress, I'll let you see. All right, y'all, it's about 12 o'clock. As you can see, the replacement springs are on. Raised it up about 6 inches in the back. So once the bed goes on, it'll probably be realistically about 4. All the bolts and everything are tightened. Let me show you one thing. Look at that bottom shackle bolt. It's going this way. It's supposed to be going this way. And that top one is the same way on the other one. Luckily, when I went to the junkyard and got these springs, I kept all the hardware because I had to cut this one off because it was stuck inside the spring. So I guess that's why they took the shackle and everything off. I don't understand if that's what they did or what, but yeah, both this whole side the bolts were going backwards. This side, that's the only one that gave me trouble, was right here. See on this side, bottom bolt going through, top bolt going through. That's how it's supposed to be on all of them. I always should go inside the frame, but they're on now. You know, it's a done deal. There's the old ones right there. I'm gonna throw them away. Starting to cloud up a little bit, so I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm not gonna be able to get to on the bed right here. So, all right, y'all. Until tomorrow, I'm gonna get on off here and get some cleaning up. As you can see, crap everywhere. But I'm gonna tell you what, these little lawnmower jacks at Harbor Freight, man, they're a lifesaver. They come in more use than just lifting up lawnmowers. That's what I use to lift the back of the frame up, you know, to bring it up to where the springs would come down and go in their shackles. And I've used it to take cabs off. It's just, man, they're a lifesaver, you know. Well worth the money. All right, until tomorrow, y'all. All right, y'all, it's Friday morning, about 10 a.m. I think what I'm gonna do today, I just get out of here. I don't think I'm gonna do a whole lot to the bed or to the truck itself. I think what I'm gonna do is just do some cleaning up here on the benches, the table back there, future projects. You know, it's time to clean up a little bit in here. It's getting kind of overwhelming with bolts, parts. Just need to clean my garage up a little bit. So that's what we're going to end this video this week is. Just cleanup day. So until next week, y'all be good.